Want to create a clean and eye-catching negative text animation in CapCut PC? The kind often seen in viral Instagram reels, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I will walk you through step-by-step process to achieve this effect easily. So let's get started. First, open CapCut PC and import your clip into the timeline. Trim your clip to the desired length. Just keep the part where you want the animation to appear. Next, duplicate the clip by holding Alt key and dragging the clip upward. This creates a second version of the same clip directly above the original. Now we will move on to creating the text reveal. Create a new text layer by clicking on the text tool, then press Windows plus dot to open the emoji panel. From here, scroll to the symbol section, select the solid rectangle shape, resize and scale this rectangle until it covers all the screen. Once it fills the screen, change its color to green. This will act as our temporary background for creating the mask. After that, create another text layer and type in your desired word or phrase. This will be the actual text used in animation. Make sure to hide the green screen layer temporarily so you can place your text properly. Choose a font that matches your style, change the text color to black, and then add a word stroke to make it stand out. When you are happy with the text placement and styling, make the green rectangle layer visible again. Now select both the text and green screen layers, right click and choose create compound clip to combine them into one. With the new compound clip selected, go to the background removal panel and choose the chroma key option. This time, don't key out the green. Instead, click on the black part of the text. Adjust the intensity slider until the text becomes clearly visible and cleanly cut out. Next, click on the duplicated video clip you made earlier. Go to adjustment panel and tweak the curve settings. Make sure to copy my curves. You will see the colors invert and to create the effect. Now we will combine everything. Select both the negative video clip and the compound text layer with the green screen still showing. Right click and create another compound clip. With the new compound clip selected, go to the background remover and once again choose chroma key. This time key out the green background and that's it. Your negative text animation is ready. As a final touch, you can double click any compound clip to open it and add smooth animations using keyframes you want if you want to enhance the visual flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy and creative CapCut tutorial like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.